Hi, I'm Lulu. Thank you for checking out my video. Today I'm going to be decorating a tiered tray for Christmas, and since it will be located in our kitchen, the theme is going to be Santa's Bakery. I'm a pretty slow decorator, so I've already figured out where everything's going to go, so you don't have to sit there and watch me test out every possible placement. But these are the things I'm going to use. And some details of some of these items. I thought this was a neat thrift store find. These 4 vintage cookie cutters, Christmas tree, half moon, Santa Claus, and bell. But what was especially cool is this ring that they're on. I've never seen one of these before. Just open it up, take them off like that. That was in a mixed lot with other cookie cutters, including this brand new, never used copper one. This is an old ice cream scoop that I bought from a shop on Queen Street West in Toronto many years ago. Because it's a really old shop, they still had old stock on the shelves, so I bought this one. And the ice cream scoop is in here. We use this. This is a cute little handmade piece that I found at the thrift store, I think last year or the year before. And he doesn't stand up on his own, so I'm going to use this book and just hook him onto the book. The book will stand. This recipe was written out by my husband just after he left home. He still makes this Christmas pudding. He just made a whole bunch for his family. This is an old family recipe, and he just made some for us and his family. This old rolling pin was left in one of the drawers when we moved into our house, and we've been here for 22 years, and it was already this old looking, so I have no idea how old it was, but very much loved, and obviously the people who had it didn't care to keep it. These are the only new things I'm using for this display, these 2 gift bags. They came 2 for $2 from Dollarama. I really liked that print. I've put some stuffing in it to make it look like a little bag of flour for Santa's Bakery. A couple of vintage ephemera pieces, a Christmas seal, and a gift tag. Here's the tray we're going to use, and it's pushed over to the side like that because there's this blind. We actually look out this window all the time, and I don't want that coming over to hit it. So that's why I got that silver toned teapot just to put in there and fill that space in. I've got all the things here. I'm going to put the camera on the tripod and decorate Santa's Bakery. watching. I hope you liked it, and if you did, I hope you'll subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Happy holidays if you're celebrating.